back to my channel. I'm Tia. I'm a wig coach here on YouTube, but my full-time gig is my business. Recently I became an official, I was already a sole proprietor, so I just became an official LLC. So TM Wigs LLC is an official thing. Okay. And because of that and how things have been going for the last 6 months, I have really been thinking a lot about what 2023 is going to look like, how I want to change, how I want to grow. And one of the big things that I have really been thinking about is how to separate Tia Maria, the wig coach, from Tia Maria Wigs LLC. And so what that really means is that I will continue to have my channel, which is Tia Maria. I'll do my wig coaching. I'll do these fun like car vlogs. I'll do all of that like I normally have. But what I've noticed is because now that I am an official retailer, so I am now an official retailer for several name brand wig companies. One of those is Hair Visions, which is the company that has Tressallure and Gemtress. And I am also a retailer for Headwear, which has the Gabor, Raquel Welch, him, KIDZ, and also Toni Brattin and Hairdo. So I do have those, and I'm also a retailer for Rene of Paris, which is Adirond's, and they have all of the various Rene of Paris lines, as well as Amore and Noriko. I am a retailer for the hair grip as well. So I have a lot going on. I'm still trying to catch up putting everything on my website. You can always message me to order any particular wig that you're looking for, but I'm getting my website caught up because this really has changed everything. Up until now, I've been doing the doll baby wigs, which these are wigs that I sort of customize. I scoured the discontinued styles, discontinued colors, and really brought them to you in a live fashion, you know, so that you could find styles that you may have either didn't know existed, forgot, what have you. I did all of the work. They were always ready to wear. Any lace was cut, anything was plucked. I custom hand dyed them. I'm still going to be doing those, but one of the changes that I have decided to make is to sort of bring the doll baby wig over to the Tia Maria wig coach side and leave the Tia Maria Wigs LLC, tmwigs.com, to be just the official online retailer. So I will, you know, only be featuring those particular brands on my website, and then the doll baby wigs you will only be able to get after January 2023 from my live sales on my Tia Maria Wig Coach channel, if that makes sense. This really affords me to kind of separate myself out from the business and also bring on people. I'm going to be having some reviewers review wigs for me. So you will see them reviewing wigs for me. You will see their reviews on my channel and different social media outlets. This is also going to help get a bigger, broader sort of picture and understanding. I am really focusing on people who maybe have platforms that are outside of YouTube and also have sort of experiences outside of mine. I've always tried to strive to be as multicultural as I can be as a one-woman person, you know, one-woman business. So this is going to be a way that I will be able to do that, because I will bring perspectives from different people, different walks of life, different experiences, different situations wearing wigs to the retail part of what I'm doing, which I think will just enhance that for my customers.